Welcome. In this video, I'll be talking about the sinusoid definition in electrical engineering, and I'm going to give you one example for it. So, in electrical engineering, a sinusoid refers to a mathematical curve that describes a smooth periodic oscillation. It is one of the most fundamental waveforms used in the analysis of electrical systems and signals. The sinusoid is characterized by its amplitude, frequency, and phase, and it can be represented by the sine or cosine function. So basically, the function that relates the sinusoid is as follows. So Bm is equal to the amplitude, F the frequency, phi is the phase angle, and Bt is the instantaneous value of the waveform at time t. So what is the amplitude? The amplitude is the peak value of the waveform. Peak value. The frequency, it denotes how often the waveform repeats in 1 second. Repetitions in 1 second. Phase. This represents the shift of the waveform along the time axis and is usually measured in degrees or radians. Shift of waveform. Now let me give you one example for it. So the example says, example of a sinusoid in electrical engineering. So you consider an alternating current voltage supplies in a household electrical outlet. This AC voltage can be described by a sinusoidal function because it varies periodically with time. For example, if you have an AC voltage source with an amplitude of 120 volts, a frequency of 60 Hz, common in North America, and a phase angle of 0. So what the problem says is we need to let's represent the voltage source as a sinusoid. Okay, so we're gonna say B of t is equal to, so voltage B of t represents the voltage. So the equation says Bm sine of 2 pi ft plus the phase angle. That means that Bm has to be equal to 120 volts, 120, and then times sine of 2 pi, and then the frequency is 60, times time, and then the phase angle is 0, so we're gonna do plus 0, so that's equal to 120 times sine 2 pi times 60 times time. In this case, the voltage oscillates between 120 and negative 120 volts 60 times per second, providing a reliable power supply for household appliances. So voltage oscillates between negative 120 and 120 volts. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. See you soon.